Hello, welcome to Let's Learn Power Apps with me. Today we are going to create a simple table. Okay, let's go ahead. So in the previous session, as we have created the solution, so we will create the table in that particular solution itself. So let's go ahead. Click on solutions. So once you click on solutions, we have our solution here. Just click on that. So after clicking on the solution, you'll be able to see this particular window. Okay. And now there's a button called new here. And here you are able to see this table, right? So you can create a table from here, I mean the data verse, or you can create the table from external data, like you can create table from SharePoint, or you can create table from SQL. So you going forward will just check about this. As for now, we are going to create the table. So you can just give the display name here. Let's say test, or you can give it as a employee, right? Here plural name is something basically it takes by default. Okay. And description, so why you're giving the table here, I mean what's the description of this particular table, why are you creating this table? Okay. And click on save. So once you click on save, that the table will be saved, and you have to create the fields for the table which we have created. So let's wait for a moment. Okay, so now employee table is created. We need to add fields for this particular table. New columns. Okay, and you can just give the column, like for example employee ID, right? And the description, so it is not mandatory, but you can just give it's, if it is, I mean for the best practices you can give the description. And data type is, I wanted to give it as a text. Text means it accepts the characters, and format is a text format, and behavior is a no, it's not a character field, so that's the reason it's a, I'm just giving it as a simple field. And here it is asking whether it is a business required, means it is acts as a mandatory field. Okay, so business required or business just a recommended. Okay, so as of now I'll just give it as a business required. Okay. And schema name means it's a logical name that you can just give it. It depends, like according to your requirement you can just give this schema name. And for now you can just give the characters, so what is the maximum characters for this particular employee ID. For now I'm just keeping it as same, so you can just change according to your requirement. And click on save. Okay, and now we are going to create one more column. I mean, you can create the columns like how many, that depends on your requirement. And now employee name, and the data types are different. It is depending upon your requirement basically, that you can use the data types. Like if it is a phone number, you can use the number so that it will allow digits. Okay, date and time means like you'll be able to it will be able to visible date and time. So I mean depending upon the requirement you can use the data types. So for the employee name obviously it is text field only, so that's the reason I'm not changing it. And behavior is simple, and it's optional. Or if you wanted to know clearly about this information, you can just check here. For some you'll be able to get what exactly it is saying. Data type, it's a data type info it is giving. Okay, description means it is giving description info, means description information that you have to give. And click on save. Okay, so once after saving this, what you have to do it is, if you want, I mean, if these changes have to reflect, if this whatever the table that you have created, if these changes have to reflect, you need to publish it. Okay, So what you can just do it is you can also go back to the let me just go back. Where is our solution here? This is our solution. Just or go to the table. This is our table, right? So click this and publish so that the changes will be applied. So publish is succeeded. This is how that you can create the table in Power Apps. Stay tuned for next videos and subscribe for more. Thank you.